What's up, guys? Dr. T here, and today I'll be doing another vlog for you guys. So, I just decided that I will be posting every 2 days. And also, I could post every day for like a couple of days. Because if I'm like somewhere really cool, like say I go on vacation, like if I go, I'll probably make a vlog every day. Or if I am making a vlog and there's nothing to do on that like day, which I'm probably not gonna go on big vacation for like till this like the middle of summer, I think. So also, if I post a cool vlog, then the next day, if there's like something cool happening, or I can do something, then I'll make another vlog that day. But it's either I post every 2 days or every day. It depends. Like for the past 2 days, I haven't been doing much, so I didn't make any vlogs. But I just thought of an idea. We're gonna try to make the world's deadliest fidget spinner. By doing that, my plan was to get this fidget spinner, take out one of the bearings, glue like thumbtacks or pointy things on it, which I'm probably gonna do thumbtacks, cause we have a lot of them, and then just like spin it, see if it like would do any damage. Like I'll get like something to stab it with, like spin it and then just throw it at it. So that's what I thought of. But if you saw last vlog, I tried to do a cool fidget spinner, like gluing pennies. And yeah, if you saw it, yeah, you know what happened. So yeah, now I'm gonna go get my fidget spinner. This fidget spinner is really bad, even though I made like so many videos with it. It's like the hydro dipped one, and yeah, so I'll be grabbing the middle one here, and then I'll be taping or gluing some deadly things to it, or pointy, whatever you like to call it. So now we have the fidget spinner here, and now we're gonna take out the bearings. So now we have the bearing here, all the other like parts over there. So now I'm gonna use the hot glue or whatever the Gorilla Glue, whatever I call it. Doesn't matter because it's all glue. I'm gonna get thumbtacks and put it each one, glue it on here, all around the bearing, and then make it a fidget spinner. It might look really cool. I mean, if it doesn't, well, that sucks. So we have the crazy glue and the bearing here. Now all we need is a thumbtack. Well, my sister didn't get any because she's annoying. So now I'm gonna have to look in here. Oh, the hassles. This is my sister. So I got the thumbtacks here, and I'm not gonna record when I do, like, cause this crazy glue can like really hurt you, cause it's gonna be like really sticky. So here's the fidget bearing before, and this is it after. Guys, look how cool and deadly this looked. I'm not gonna put on the caps, cause when I hot glued this to it, it got a little like on like the actual thing. It spins fine though, but it looks amazing. Look at that. Alright guys, this came out amazing looking. Now, let's try to see how deadly this actually is. Alright, so we have the fidget spinner here. Now we're going to test it on the apple. Alright, so we have it all here. Now let's just see what we do
if I spin it.
Yo, I just spun that and it went in. Now, we're going to try a ninja star. Oh, well, it went in, let's try it again. So now, we're gonna try from even farther. Well, that just exploded. There's one thumbtack, there's another thumbtack, and the fidget spinner somewhere. Yeah, so that went well until this happened, and this happened, and then this one just fell off, and then now this bearing is ruined, so now we have a little one, so it all broke. Well, it didn't break, but like there's all hot glue on the bearing. The thumbtacks broke, and this apple is destroyed, so still tastes good, but wait, never mind. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Let's get 15 likes and put hashtag RIP fidget spinner. It's gonna be right here. So thank you guys for watching. I think I already said that, but hope you guys enjoyed. Let's get 15 likes on this video. Dr. T out. Peace!